You guys stay in Florida here. We're in Gulf Hammock, Florida, and taking a look at the Patterson Mcinnis train. A little bit of history on this. This locomotive is known as three-spot, often pulled 30 to 40 cars as it transported logs from area woodlands to the Patterson Mcinnis sawmill. It was originally a wood-burning engine, thought to be built about 1915, but its service ended around World War II. The locomotive was donated to Levy County by the Patterson Mcinnis Lumber Company in 1869, and now it's actually maintained by the Department of Transportation, and it's in the Gulf Hammock Wayside Park here along US 19. So let's just take a quick look around this thing. Pretty neat stuff.